This video will demonstrate how to properly fit crutches. Proper fit on a pair of crutches starts at the axilla, the hand grip, and the distance from the toes. So we're going to fit this crutch properly. We need to adjust the hand grip as well as the height of the crutch itself. Oftentimes, the measurements on the crutch itself are not how you want to set it for your individual patient. So we're going to go ahead and estimate based on the height of this patient and the length of her arms. We want 3 fingers from the axilla for the crutch pad at the top, and we want the patient to hang her arm comfortably at the side in order to find the wrist height for the hand grip. We'll put the fixation back in to hold the hand grip in place, make sure the screw is fit tightly, and then we're going to fit the crutch again for proper height, hand grip. It should be about 6 inches outside the toes.